it's the Munchie Chef. I'm back with another video again. Simple, easy videos to eat munchie meals. We're gonna make something sweet today, not food. Easy shake. A shake with vanilla Oreos, vanilla ice cream Oreos. I'm gonna use a different shake with strawberry ice cream. Peanut butter, a little bit of cinnamon, plátanos, bananas, and to make it look nice, whipped cream. I don't care for whipped cream, but we're gonna make it look nice. Stay tuned. Oh, you need a blender, obviously. I don't even know how to use this blender. Oh, I have two special guests that are gonna help me today from Sesame Street. Oh, another ingredient, you need ice. Ice. Like vanilla ice. Ice cream. Okay. Your blender. You see my other blender on my other video. I love that blender, but this Ninja is what I need for shakes. Grab me the ice cream scooper, Grouch. Oscar the Grouch or Elmo, one of you two. Thank you, thank you. We're gonna start with the vanilla shake. Or with the vanilla ice cream. Brand new. Let's get this. So we're gonna put a banana in here. We're gonna put some ice cream in here. Oh, that ice cream's hard. Okay, while we wait for the ice cream to thaw out a little, we're gonna add the other stuff. Yes, good. Please. Caramel. Thank you. And then give me a cup of ice. That's in there, right? Like the scoop, yeah, scoop of ice. This is about a cup of ice, guys. Give me another. We're going to do two scoops. You. Then back. A little bit, not too much. Like, I mean, this is a full tablespoon, so 3/4 of a tablespoon, I guess you could say. Remember, keep your hands clean. I'll leave this here for the next ice cream shake. Napkin, Elmo or Grouch. Thank you. Thank you, Grouch. Oscar. Do you guys talk at all? You guys don't talk at all? Do you like shakes? Where's the Cookie Monster? We got cookies for him. We're gonna make cookie shake. Okay, sorry guys. I was supposed to like bring this out and let it thaw out, but it's hard right now. We're gonna use the strawberry ice cream because the vanilla is way too hard right now. So there's a few bits of vanilla ice cream in there, but some strawberry ice cream. You can make this shake with vanilla and then just add your own strawberries if you want. But me personally, I like better using strawberry ice cream. It's way more delicious. One of you Muppets or whatever you guys are called. Add about. I got a cup measurement here, so I'll tell you how much. At about 2 cups. About 2 cups, 2.5 cups of milk. We'll obviously add more if we have to. We can add a little bit of cinnamon. Another good thing that you can do that's actually pretty delicious if you use vanilla ice cream and you want it to be strawberry-like, you add strawberry syrup. Quick strawberry syrup. Nestle is what it's called now. When I was growing up, it was just called Quick. That's it. Quick. And then we're gonna hit this smoothie. And we're gonna pause it real quick. Open it up again. And add about. Now we're gonna add a few Oreo cookies. We'll do about 4 or 5. Yeah, we'll do 5 Oreo cookies. Oscar Groucho is checking out his hat. And that's it. I have this fancy little glass cup my wife likes to use, a little glass straw. We're using that just to make it look fancy. That thing was amazing. And that's it. Let's pour it in here. Oh wait, it's too icy. It's chunky like that. That's because of the ice. The ice makes it a little so it's like not so sweet, like overpowering sweet. And then, like I said, I'm not a big whipped cream guy, but it's just to make it look a little fancy. We're gonna add some whipped cream to it. Get on the muss. Munchies chef. Hi, Papa. Voila, that's it, you guys. Quick, fast, simple, easy shake. Oh, that's delicious. That's it, you guys. Easy shake to make. Super bomb, super delicious. I made some with vanilla. I made some with strawberry. That's it. Spoon of peanut butter, banana, 4 or 5 Oreo cookies, ice cream, milk. Did I say cinnamon? A little bit of cinnamon. That's it. Blend it up. You get a delicious, super delicious shake. That's it. Thanks for joining us once again. Like, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Stay hungry, keep munching. God bless. Peace.